Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious tuna steak. It is super easy to make. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add some dark sesame oil and some ginger to our steak. Then we're going to add some nuts that are going to be its crust. On the side, we're going to make a delicious sauce, and it's just a mixture of red onions, tamari, honey, ginger, wasabi, cilantro, and lime juice. We just mix this and it'll be ready to eat anytime. Just put your tuna steak on a grill for 30 to 60 seconds per side, depending if you want it rare or medium rare, and that's it. Enjoy a delicious tuna. Serve it with this grapefruit salsa and love it. You can do it anytime in minutes. Check out the full recipe on YouTube.